How do you start and build an email list for your business, whether that is a blog, an online store, or you are an entrepreneur? You're going to find out exactly in today's video. To gain new email subscribers for your email list, you need two things. Number one, a hook, something that gets your audience interested in what you have to offer and something that your audience needs or wants, and that would make them subscribe to your email list. And second, a reason to stay. So your content marketing strategy for your regular emails that your audience will be receiving in their inbox. If you want to use email marketing to sell and succeed at it, you need to accustom your audience with receiving your emails and finding value in your emails, so they should open them often. Now, how do you do that? Let me tell you step by step. Step number one, and probably the most important one for your starting business, is to have a place where you build an audience. Whether that is your blog where you post regular blog posts, whether that is your website where you sell products or you have an e-commerce store, whether you're a freelancer or entrepreneur and you have a YouTube channel or Instagram account or any other social media platform where an audience is following you. You need a place where you're already offering value to your audience and people are interested in your content and what you have to offer. And that without asking for anything in return. So creating free content and just engaging with your audience and being somebody they look up to. When doing that, you can always give them the possibility of subscribing to your email list, but there's more. Step number two, you need to offer something of value to your existing audience that they don't receive from you yet in order for them to subscribe to your email list. So offer something of value they haven't received yet for them to subscribe to your email list if they haven't done that already. That something of value can be a freebie, a free checklist, a free guide, some free templates maybe if that's what you sell. If you're selling products as an e-commerce store, you can give a coupon code for free for somebody that subscribes to your newsletter. And if they want that code or that freebie, they will need to subscribe to your email list. Step number three, building that landing page for that specific freebie or coupon code or anything else. You can have a pop-up on your website if you are an e-commerce business, or if you are a blogger or entrepreneur, you can create a special page dedicated for people to subscribe to receive a specific freebie. You can do that in MailerLite, MailChimp, and any other email marketing platform. You need to add the link for that specific subscribe page or for your general subscribe page for your email list in your blog posts, in your YouTube video descriptions, or in your link tree on your Instagram account, for example. I'll have more videos soon on step-by-step tutorials on how to grow your email list, so make sure to click that subscribe button for more videos weekly. Step number four, once those subscribers start coming in, you need to think of something that you want to offer them. You need to get them used to receiving emails from you, so for that you can create a workflow for new subscribers or welcoming subscribers in your email marketing platform. So you can have that workflow already ready before they subscribe to your email list, and once they do, they will start receiving those emails as often as you set them up to be received by them. This will get people reading your emails because they're already receiving something from you the minute they subscribed. So the minute they subscribe, they need to receive a welcome email, and then after that you can send a weekly email just to welcome them to your email list. And make sure those are really niche and that you keep your emails in the same niche that people subscribe for. This will get them used to your brand voice and to reading your emails, so then after a while when you want to sell them something, they will be much more likely to buy it. A quick tip is building a freebie library or a free resource library, and every single month add something new to that library to get people to stay subscribed to your email list. This will be another reason that they stay subscribed and keep reading your emails. Another tip is that you don't sell immediately to your new subscribers. Don't send emails in which you try and sell them a product or recommend them a product immediately as they subscribe. They need a little bit of time to get accustomed to your brand voice, to what you have to offer them, and to see that they're actually getting value from your emails and not that you're only trying to use that email list to sell something to them. Step number five, start creating emails that are full of value and that you make a point with each and every one of them. Don't write too long of emails, and make sure that every single email has something that you're focused on. This will keep people enjoying reading your emails, and that will make them much more likely to click on emails that you're trying to sell something in, and they become much more likely to actually purchase that product that you're recommending or selling yourself. So they will start trusting you more because you're offering value first and not not selling immediately. Step number 6 or tip number 6 is to send emails often so people won't forget you. If it has been months since you've sent your last email and people haven't heard from you, they're not going to open that email because they don't remember you and they just don't know what you have to say. So keep them often, short and sweet, but full of value. Because just like on social media, on YouTube, or any other platform, consistency is key. Tip number 7, share your freebies and landing pages, subscribe pages continuously on your new content that you're creating. A freebie doesn't expire. If you have a freebie for Instagram marketing, for example, you can keep sharing it with people as you go along to gain even more subscribers. Another quick tip I have is that if somebody subscribed to your email list for a specific reason only, because your audience is not very niched, add them to a specific email list group. So in that way, they won't unsubscribe because you're sending them emails that they don't really care about. Because if somebody subscribes to your email list for Instagram tips and you keep sending them Pinterest tips every day, they will most likely unsubscribe. Tip number 8, offering email courses or e-courses as a freebie is a great idea. Why? Because it helps people get accustomed to wanting to receive a new email every week, because they knew they've signed up for that free email course and that they will be receiving, let's say, one email full of value and information every single week. They will keep waiting for your email to receive more information because they signed up for that course, and in that way, after they finish that course, they will keep waiting for your emails because they've already received so much value from your e-course. So that's another great freebie idea that you can offer your audience, and I will be creating a lot more videos in the future about exactly where to go to create that from your email marketing platform. So if you're interested in that, again, don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell to be notified when I upload. So there you go, these were my tips on building an email list from scratch for absolute beginners. Remember, if you want to keep these email subscribers, you need to be very strategic with your content and your email strategy. If you want to learn more about that in my upcoming videos, make sure to stay subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.